Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today I'm going to be pairing 3 outfits with 1 kick. And what kick to start with other than the Nike Air Yeezy one from 2009, back when jeans were skinny, and the craziest thing that Ye did was run up on stage on Taylor Swift. So I'm going to pair 3 outfits from my wardrobe together with the shoe, break them down, and let's check them out and have a look. For the first fit, I've kept it nice and plain and simple, quite basic just to start it off. So we've got the merino infantry shirt with the logo hit on the chest as well as a bigger one on the back, tying in the pinks of the actual accents, paired with a pair of Carhartt stone chinos, which are oversized so they sit just nicely on top of the shoe as well. So very calm, very cozy, just to start off. So for outfit 2, I've gone for more of a layered fit. So this is if I'm going out shopping or if I'm out for a full day looking for some fits and kicks. So I've started with the tan bomber just to keep that heat in, paired with the pink hoodie. This can be interchanged and swapped out for a white or a grey. And then I've paired that with the Nike utility cargos, which sit inside the actual kick, highlighting the high hits and the pinks of the actual Air Yeezy. For my third and final outfit, I've gone for something that you can wear if you're out entertaining with friends, if you're going out for a meal, just that more fancy fit. So I've paired a vintage FUBU denim jacket, white plain tee, so it's nice and basic on top. Then we go for the outrageous piece, which is the floral all over print trousers. By keeping it plain on top, I've gone for the more outstanding piece at the bottom, which is skinny like those 2009 fits. So plain on top, outrageous on the bottom. This is my more outstanding fit. So they were my 3 fits to go with the Air Yeezy one. Comment below which one you preferred. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Peace.